Hey there! If you're using ChatGPT like most people, there's a good chance you're only scratching the surface, like barely 10% of what it can really do. And that 10%? It's usually super generic and not even tailored to you. But today, I'm going to show you how to unlock the real power of ChatGPT. We're diving into something called prompt engineering. It's a relatively new concept that's been blowing up in the last few years. It's basically the secret sauce to getting powerful, custom next-level responses from ChatGPT, no matter what field you're in. By the end of this video, you're going to be writing pro-level prompts that make ChatGPT feel like your personal expert assistant. Let's jump in. Alright, first open up Google and type in GeneratePrompt.Ai. Click on the first result. You'll land on this clean, no login required site, which is already a win. Totally free, no sign-up walls, just get in and go. Now the homepage shows all their tools, but today we're focusing on one thing: generating powerful prompts for ChatGPT. And trust me, this is where the magic starts. So here's what you do. From the homepage, select the AI prompt generator tool. Just type what you want ChatGPT to help you with. It could be a blog outline, a social media strategy, a product description. Then you'll get two versions of your prompt. A simple one, fast and to the point, and an advanced one, which is detailed, refined, and built using prompt engineering techniques. Let's test it real quick. I'll enter something like, write me a marketing plan for a phone store in USA, this time using the advanced level prompt. Let's see how much better and more detailed the result gets when we level things up. Boom, the site gives me a clean, detailed prompt I can copy and paste directly into ChatGPT. This is how you go from vague, hit or miss answers to clear, expert-level replies that actually help you. Now, here's something even cooler. Let's say you've already written a prompt, but you're not sure if it's good. They've got a tool for that too, Prompt Checker. Just paste your prompt in, hit check, and wait for it. Look, it found 4 issues in my prompt: wording errors, missing context, weak structure. It even gives me tips on how to fix them. This is perfect if you're trying to learn how to write a ChatGPT prompt that's more effective, especially if you're into business, marketing, or productivity work. With practice, you'll start getting green lights. No more May results from ChatGPT. So here's the deal. If you want exceptional results from ChatGPT, you gotta stop typing like a casual user. Start thinking like a prompt engineer. And with this free tool, you can build high-quality prompts, check your work, and literally become a pro at prompt engineering ChatGPT. It works across all fields, whether you're into content creation, coding, education, or even photo editing. Use it to boost your productivity and speed up your entire workflow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We've got more AI tutorials coming that'll blow your mind. Catch you in the next one. What will you use prompt engineering for? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe for more AI hacks, like if this helped, tools linked in the description.